this video we show you how to install Thinka for Z-Wave and add the Thinka to a HomeKit home. Inside the package we find the Thinka, a USB-C power supply, an Ethernet cable, a wall mount if you want to mount the Thinka on the wall, and a quick start guide. We also have two AOTech Z-Wave devices here, which we will use in the setting up videos. Connect the Thinka with the supplied Ethernet cable and the USB-C power supply. The Thinka is now ready for setup. When the LED lights up green, we can begin with the setup. We open a browser and go to setup.thinka.eu. Here you will be asked for the serial number, which can be found on the bottom of the Thinka. We now have the option to register, which can be useful when contacting our help desk. The Thinka has been found on the network and can now be protected with a password. The Thinka is now successfully installed and ready for adding Z-Wave devices.